Dad's at the holiday doubles. What does he do? Run 11 game.
Yeah. Yeah, team. All right. Checks out game 1, holiday doubles. At 549. Not sure if we're in the lead. Biggest house shot tournament in America and probably in the world. 10 grand at the end of the weekend to the winner. Let's get right into it. Hey, the way I look at it, starting out the way we did game 1, that's actually a really good game. And actually a very, very good start.
300.
Can you believe it?
Freaking
They all
right
fell
skis,
over.
man.
House guy, that's what I am, house guy. Stay tuned. Had 549 the first game and beat it the second game, 307 over for 2. I'd say that's pretty okay right now. Oh, and Dad's only missed once, by the way. I gotta catch up. Well, we finished the day at 526 over, and the cut was 525 over. Got a little tricky the last 3 games. Only had about 30 over the team. I had about 30 under. I really struggled, but at the end of the day, all I gotta do is get there. And well, we need a lot of strikes tonight. We need probably as much score as we had, and then some, in 5 games as we had in 8 this morning. Brandon and Matt also made it. It's time to put the striking shoes on. Let's make it happen. They all fell.
Well, last night didn't go as planned.
I'd say that's a good statement.
Knew we needed a lot. We ended up needing about another 420 or 430 to make the cut, and it being about 950.
Exactly.
He had 100 and I had 20.
So we're a little bit short.
Just a little. Yeah, just a little. It hooked a little bit more last night. I didn't see the picture clearly, and he didn't see it, just not as unclearly as I did.
Yeah, well, together we certainly didn't see what a lot of the other teams had going on there, and we're not going to take anything away from the guys that are at the top. But for us, I'll say you're not going to win every tournament you bowl. At the same time, you want to feel like you're a competitor. I feel like we gave ourselves a chance. We snuck into the cut. No, we couldn't take advantage of it, but that's part of the game. But I can tell you right now, I'm going to look forward to next year.
Yeah, absolutely. Managed to sneak in at 45th, and we ended up finishing 45th at the Holiday Doubles this year. We got 5 more games of bonus bowling, and we did get to bowl last night, so that was pretty cool. Can't win them all, but it's a pretty good weekend. So it's gonna wrap this one up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Happy holidays, everyone.